I brought a group of university students to Ethiopia and was concerned about how I was going to get the interpreting services I need, to find the right people to meet with, to be able to take my students to some historical sites. And I contacted Indiana Travel, and they set up for us all of our meetings, arranged for interpretation, took us on hikes, took students on custom trips, took us to see the monuments, and we just had a wonderful trip. They went overtime, they did above and beyond, went above and beyond the call of duty, and made our visit to northern Ethiopia wonderful.
I have had the opportunity to visit the north of Ethiopia, here in Adwa, and this has been one of the best experiences in my life. And thanks to Indiana Travel, I have had the opportunity to do very nice activities, such riding horse with 3 friends of us. Some of the friends didn't have any previous experience of riding horses, but the horses are really calm, easy to ride. We picked the horses in front of our houses. We went to a beautiful lake. We went back from Mount Soloda, which is a beautiful mountain, and we really enjoyed the experience and the landscape that we were able to see thanks to Indiana Travel.
I came to northern Ethiopia, to the Tigray region, to shoot some documentary footage. And when I came, I was really concerned that I wouldn't be able to get the footage that I need. So I called Indiana Travel, and I'm so glad that I did. I sat down with Ace Taneka, the proprietor, and we went over my script, and he actually consulted with me on all the different shots. We went over the shots that I needed. Then Ace went to work. He began to make phone calls. He arranged permits. He arranged, details with officials. He arranged for transportation. And within the course of a week and a half, I was able to get every single shot that I needed. So I'm so glad that I called Indiana Travel. And if you ever come to northern Ethiopia, if you need any kind of custom guiding services, then I highly recommend that you get a hold of them, because they made it happen for me. They can make it happen for you also.
Qualche giorno fa siamo stati con un gruppo di 50 persone nella montagna Soloda, nord Etiopia, vicino ad Adwa. È stata un'esperienza fantastica, grazie a Indiana Travel. L'esperienza della nostra guida Ace è stata il punto fondamentale, perché grazie a lui abbiamo visto un panorama fantastico, animali come aquile, antilopi. Noi veramente raccomandiamo la guida come Ace e Indiana Travel, perché grazie a loro vi potete sentire sicuri in ogni momento e godere di queste viste e esperienze fantastiche. Grazie Indiana Travel.
Grâce à Indiana Travel, j'ai eu l'opportunité de découvrir le village qui s'appelle Yaha. C'est un village très ancien et qui m'a permis de découvrir une culture très ancienne en Éthiopie grâce à son monastère, à son histoire. Indiana Travel a vraiment tout organisé pour moi, du début jusqu'à la fin, grâce à une navette. Le voyage a été très bien organisé, je me suis sentie en sécurité et l'arrivée au village a été très sympathique. Tous les enfants sont venus vers nous, en général ils sont très curieux. J'ai eu l'opportunité dans ce village de découvrir une maison, d'aller chez l'habitant. Nous avons fait aussi une cérémonie du café, très typique ici en Éthiopie. Donc grâce à Indiana Travel, j'ai pu découvrir des histoires très anciennes en Éthiopie, des monuments classés historiquement, et être en contact avec les locaux, avec leur accueil, et découvrir l'Éthiopie vraiment authentique. Donc merci à Indiana Travel et je vous recommande fortement cette expérience.
Hi, my name is Santiago. I'm from Argentina, and I want to share with you my experience going to Debre Damo with Indiana Travel. Well, first, the place is really amazing. It's a monastery, a very old monastery in the top of a mountain that it's flat. and you actually need to climb like 15 meters only with a rope and with the help of a monk that is picking you up. Yeah, then when you get up, you have these amazing, really incredible views all around from this mountain. And there's actually the monastery and a little city, and also some animals. Only male animals can be there, and there are even also some monkeys. So in terms of the place, it's really great. But I would also like to thank Indiama Travel, because they really organized this very well. They picked us up, they arranged the car, the driver, they took us there, no problem. And we also went with someone from the company who was actually explaining us what we were seeing, and the local culture and customs. So it was really great. So thank you, Indiama Travel, for this.
I've been hiking Saloda Mountain in Adwa with Indiama Travel, with a group of 55 people, and it was simply amazing. All the experience that we had, thanks to our guide Ace, the owner of Indiama Travel, because it's a really nice experience in terms of the landscape you can see. He showed us all the city around from the top, and I really recommend to hire a guide like Ace, as it's really simple to get lost in an area like this, and you are going to enjoy 100% this experience thanks to his preparation and his passion about his country and Adwa.